my god. Who is she? Where have I been? I know. This is so weird. I haven't done this in so long, but hey guys. How you been? It's been a while, I know, but I just really felt like filming myself putting on makeup. And I'm gonna do this in good old get ready with me style because it's really hot in here and I'm already sweating. And honestly, I just wanted to play around. I'm testing out the new Stay Naked foundation today. This is the shade 10YY. I know, looks sketchy, but it's all good. And then just like, you know, my standard go-tos that I've been using. Everything will be listed down below in the down bar. If you remember me, thumbs up this video. If you don't, hi, my name is Stephanie, and I occasionally put videos on YouTube. Yeah, so without me chatting too much and full out sweating, let's get into this get ready with me. Also, if you can see the mess behind me, please ignore that. I have no excuse. The moment you realize you don't have your eyeshadow primer with you. Great. Okay, I'm going to attempt something and I don't think it's gonna work that great because I never luck out with concealer as my eyeshadow primer because I have such hooded eyes. But I'm gonna go with the tried and true Tarte Shape Tape because if it still exists after that fall. One second. It was literally rolling away across my room. I'm gonna try this because it works for everyone and I'm only gonna put a little bit and I don't think I'm gonna do as intricate as an eye look as I originally planned to. I just want to like even out my veins that I got going on. I don't know if you could tell because it's so bright in here. I don't even think you could tell any color. 1 second, please hold. Let's dim down the exposure. Is this just better? I'm so sorry if that's the case. Back to our regular scheduled program. I just realized, oh, forgot a lip. Before I put on the lip though, I just realized that I never said what I was getting ready for. I'm just going to family dinner tonight. There's a loud car outside. Because I wanted to try out that foundation that I might as well, you know, look put together tonight. And I hope you can even see what I did to my face. Anyways, for my lip, I'm going to be using the NARS Oil-Infused Lip Tint in Primal Instinct. I love this thing. I was using the Becca Lip Intuitive, I think it was called, forever, and I love that so much. And now I'm addicted to like glossy lip balm, lip oil type products. It's so good. Wow, it looks better on camera than it does in real life. Okay, I'll take it. Here's the finished look. Let's do the famous, you know, posing for the camera. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little video that I decided to finally put on a strap of balls and film and edit and get this out on the internet. If it is, I guess we'll find out if it is. What? I have nothing else to say, but if you like this, please subscribe to my channel for some more random placed content. Guess I'll see you guys when I see it. I'm not making any promises. Anyways, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, evening, night, morning, whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.